Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and I got a bunch, and I do mean a boatload of equipment and just other tool stuff. So, there's literally two big orange bins full of, full of stuff. So, let's get started. So the first thing we have is a system sensor box. This is a system sensor DNR. Must order heads separately, and it says remote test capable right there. Innovair Flex, brand new in box. Move that over here to the side. I have a roll of red electrical tape, just because. Next up is a big giant Ultronics box. And what might you ask was in that box? This sort of cabinet thingy. As you can see, it says Ultronics right there, and inside there's some stuff inside. I'm going to open that up and take a look. And I do have all the boards that go with that. Here's one of them, the power supply charger. These are just boxes. This is a Command Access ML80 solenoid 24 volt thing. It's a door lock of some sort, and it's 24 volts, so I can power it. Moving right along, this is sort of going to be a little unboxing as well. I don't have a knife, so I'll take a key that y'all can't see yet, or just easier, take the piece of tape off. This is a Bosch DS160 high performance request to exit detector. I'm going to open up this box. Whoops. There's something okay, nothing else. These little screws and plug sort of things. The manual that goes with it, and here's the actual thing. This thing swivels around. I'm going to take the housing apart. Not really take it apart. It's how it's supposed to be. Right here, there's a buzzer, which is strange. It won't work unless the cover's on it. But also, this thing swivels around. And in here, it says Bosch DS160. Boom. And again, that... can't get it to swivel around. There we go. There's that. Next thing we've got is extremely cool. It is a brand new, and I do mean brand new, FCI MS2. I have the key. It even has the brake rod with it. So you pull it like your typical MS2, like that, and there we go. And there's a switch. It's very, very springy. And look how clean it is. It's brand new. So, that's the FCI MS2. Next, this is the duct detector that was in that system sensor box. This is the system sensor DNR duct detector. Now, as you can see, there's nothing in there. How a duct detector works, we'll take that off there. And I've got this one kind of screwed on. Air comes in here. But it also is coming in here. And right here is a smoke detector, and that's testing for smoke in the ducts. Now, right here is a Johnson Controls 2951 JR addressable smoke detector. There's the dust cover, and notice it says remote test capable. So this goes on there like that, and then you'd put the thing on. And I'm just going to put one screw in to hold it. So there's that. Right here we have a Chematronics or Chematron Fire Systems, it says on the back of here. Model 601 fixed and rate of rise heat detector. Here it is. Pretty much a dead knockoff of the Edwards heat detectors. Heat detector. I've wanted one of these. This is a Siemens HFP-11. Believe it's a smoke and heat detector. There's that little thing in there. It is conventional because it doesn't have dip switches or, well, no, it says 1-23. So yeah, it is addressable. It doesn't really say whether it's conventional or addressable. I think it's addressable. And here we have a Johnson Controls 5951HJ. It's an older heat detector with some kind of, or smoke detector, sorry, not heat. No, it's smoke and heat. With the 15 and 9. Right here. Need to take that off. This is not remote test. Same dust cover fits onto here. Whoa, and I can pull that off there. It floated away on me. Right here we have a Wheelock DSM 1224 sync module. Here it is. And with it there were these really weird real weird terminal blocks. I don't know exactly what those are for, but they came with it. Right here is the box of the Johnson Controls detector head. Show you that in a minute. Here is one of the 4 HID keypads that I got. Not keypads, key card reader squares. I got an old phone. That's adjustable. Random box. Here's the second half of that random box. An RIB box. We've got a Sawzall blade with a weird little bag. on it. It seems to be empty. Another Ultronics box. This is that RIB relay. It says relay in a box. Relay in box. RIB U1C. And the LED means that it's on. Here's the box of the Wheelock heat detector. I got an HID keypad. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. Disarmed. I'm getting in the door. Okay. I got this weird thing. Bidirection actuator. Somebody comment down below. Whoa, what that does. This also goes with that duct detector. Another Ultronics box, and I have disc. It's a ceiling mount motion detector. We have another HID card reader. Oh, but wait, there's more. Much more. We have a Bosch. Another thing for the Wheelock sync module. We have another thing, the Bosch ISC-PPR1-116 motion detector right here. There's its box. Now there's these sticker things that kind of mask the bottom or top off. It's almost like kind of like a blinder for stuff. And right here I have two more HID card readers. This sticks something up. Right here, it is a system sensor box. Now it might look like a Spectre alert by that little top part. Well, it's one of these key switches. Came new in box with two keys. We have test, off, and reset. And my motor's on. Got the alarm LED there on the back. RTS 151 key. Has the exact same kind of terminals and housing as a system sensor MHR. Like they're the exact same size. Like you could walk up here, and this actually goes with that system sensor duct detector. You can't pull the key out in test or reset mode. says do not paint, fire alarm device. So you'd walk up to this and you'd hit test, and more than likely Spectre alerts would be going off, and then reset to reset the duct detector and move on along. And this is the box. Oh, this is cool. An AAS keypad with an HID thing on there. There's that. But there's something even cooler. Right here, you can go back in here. That sets the code. That's a little thing there. Velcro thing. Whole crap ton of wires. I don't know what voltage it is. It's the Chematronics box. I think mine said $623, didn't it? What model was mine? Let's get it out and look. Whoops. I think mine said $630. 601. None. This is a 24 volts, 1000 milliamps power thingy. And there's two places to connect wires. Just some cords. I think. Let's see if it says it on here. Honeywell. This is FPL. Yeah, that's cool. This is the phone line wiring because it has that little thing on the end. More FPL. We have a Black & Decker. Electric screwdriver. That's cool. Some manuals. This is that disc thing that I was talking about. It's tiny. Here's my hand for comparison. You don't know how big my hands are. Here's a Coke can. This thing is real small. Bookie. It's soft. Okay. Excuse me. FPL. This is some big wiring. Ooh, this is really cool. I said that weird. This is real cool. Red mushroom push button. Excuse me. There's the wiring. Right here, some wires that go on it. Press for emergency assistance. Help should be on its way now. Yeah. These are probably what you've been waiting for. 3 Ultronics boards. This is a relay card. I don't know what that's for. Might say where this thing's supposed to go. And here's another thing with a huge capacitor. Right there. Cable clamps. Handy. This is for something. Okay, this is cool. This was on the back of the MS2. Here's that box for that Siemens thing. These are the HID cards for the key cards, or the key card reader. There's 4 of them. So yeah, that is my overwhelming parts deluge. I'm just saying stuff. That's my crazy. What the heck? That is my crazy, incredible parts haul. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.